Hello everyone, welcome to Shandong Longze Machinery. Today I'm going to introduce to you our factory production area. Behind me you can see that my company name, my company logo, and the whole area of our production area. 好，暂停。 This is our vertical rain die pellet machine location area. You can see that behind me we have 90 kilowatts electric motor, 110 kilowatts, 132 kilowatts, and 160 kilowatts, 850, 220 kilowatts. Pellet machine. Those pellet machine has some advantages I will introduce to you. The pellet machine has 201 industry stainless steel input hopper, pelletizing room, output hopper, and the dust cover. And we use a heavy industry gear reducer system. And the automatic bearing lubricating system, and also the oil cooling or water cooling gear oil system. And our electric control panel, we use a PLC touch screen. Behind me, you can see that this is our smallest drum wood chipper with the 55 kilowatts electric motor. The capacity is 5 to 6 tons per hour. Its function is for cutting the wood logs or wood slabs into wood chips. Beside the drum wood chipper, you can see that also our hammer mill machine. We have a different model, different capacity, high efficiency hammer mill. It can grind wood chips or straw chips into dust size less than 10 millimeters. And behind you can see that it's our hammer mill on production. And over this area, you can see that it's our hammer mill drying system. The rotary drying system. From here you can see that it is the input and output hopper. This is the hot air stove. We use anti-fire concrete and brick build this stove. And this area is our airlock, fan blower, and electric motor part. From here you can see that our rotary dryer. This one is the smallest one, 1 meter in diameter and 10 meters in length. This is our finished rotary dryer, and this one is on production. And this is the assist equipment for rotary dryer. This is the wheel gear for our rotary dryer, and the large wheel and small spot wheel for rotary dryer. And over here you can see that this is our dust collector. The upper part and down part, and will connect with the dust bags. And this area is our cyclone machine. It working together with the hammer mill, pellet cooler, or rotary dryer. Rotary dryer. It's being used for collect material and collect dust. And this area is our hammer mill on production area. On production. And this area you can see that it's our production equipment. It's a welding machine, cutting steel machine, and the laser CNC machine. 别这么磨叽，你就去一下扫去就行了。好了。And over here you can see that this is our counterflow pellet cooler. It used for cooling the hot temperature pellet. It is the part of a pellet production line. My friend, this area is our production area for pellet machines. You can see that this is our Model 560 pellet machine. It has two rollers, and it has stainless steel ring die, and this is the main shaft bearing room. And over here is the pellet machine kick-out device, pellet motor, and gear reducer. And this area is our roller assembles, roller cover, bearing, and roller shaft. And this two machine also we will send to Europe. And behind you that you can see that is our stainless steel input hopper, palletizing room, electric motor, and the kick-out device gear, and the whole gear, the upper part for our pellet machine. And this belt for our belt conveyors. And you can see that this is our ready production, the rain die. Rain die will have two types, alloy steel and stainless steel. Those are all for 560 pellet machine. And you can see that we also have a smaller pellet machine, 55 kilowatts electric motor, and the model number XJG450. It also has double layers with a longer lifetime. Over here you can see that these are the roller shell for the pellet machine. The motor and the reducer connection part, the hammer mill rotor, and our high quality brand Wanxiang bearing, roller bearing, and HRB roller bearing. And for our electric motor, we use high quality CE certified famous brand motors. And our electric control panel is over there. We all use PLC touch screen for pellet machines. And also we can make the special panel with all PLC touch screen and control buttons based on your requirement. And all the electric control components we use Delixi or Chant famous brand. We can give you a very quick delivery time for the pellet machine or pellet production line. If you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact Longze sales people. We will glad to service you. And finally, thanks for watching this video. I will see you next time. Bye bye.